Hey everybody, it's Mike Frieder here with On-Call Compliance Solutions, and I'm back with another compliance tip of the week. Today we're going after one of the most sneaky, audit-failing, chaos-causing behaviors in the compliance world. That's right, user-installed software. That's right, we're breaking down CMMC Control CM.L2-3.4.9. Control and monitor user-installed software. Because if your employees are still installing Chrome extensions like Free Netflix Forever, or running sketchy apps from USB drives named Install Me Now, well, we've got a problem. All right, everybody, we're breaking down CMMC Control CM.L2-3.4.9, control and monitor user-installed software. Let's talk about how to lock it down, monitor it, and keep your systems CMMC Level 2 ready. Now, what does this control really mean? CMMC CM.L2-3.4.9 is all about knowing what users are installing, and more importantly, making sure they can't install anything you don't approve. Even innocent-looking apps can create backdoors, introduce malware, or send sensitive info, well, who knows where? The solution? Prevent, monitor, and control user-installed software. That's right. Assessment objective number 1, control the installation of software by users. Documentation you'll need: a software installation policy clearly stating who can install what, role-based permissions documentation, change requests, or exception forms for software installations. Now, in an earlier video on a previous control, we had talked about the idea that assessors really like whitelisting versus blacklisting software. Does NIST allow it? Sure. But here's the catch. Now we're getting to this other control where essentially we have to actually control user-installed software. And, it screams whitelisting to me. But again, it is possible. You definitely can restrict everybody from installing things and then only have IT admins do it. And then, IT admins can install whatever they want by blacklist. But honestly, at that point, you're pretty much whitelisting. I know it's confusing. If you're confused, give us a call. We'll explain it to you and certainly help you find solutions for it. Now, technical implementation. Lock down standard users so they don't have local admin rights. Seriously, just do it. Use application controls like Windows App Locker, Microsoft Defender Application Control, Threat Locker. Hey, look, even endpoint protection suites like CrowdStrike, SentinelOne, or Carbon Black have some of these features. Set up policies via group policy, mobile device management, MDM, or really now it's DM, it's device management, or RMM tools to restrict installs by hash, path, or publisher. Now, here's a pro tip. No one, not even tech-savvy Tina from accounting, should be able to install their favorite free screen recorder without going through you first, okay? Even the engineers in the lab, if that lab is not completely segmented and not handling CUI, if it's handling CUI, we're not going to let them install whatever they want. That's dangerous, especially if we're working with live CUI. So objective number 2, monitor for user-installed software. Yep, you got to monitor it. Documentation you're going to need: logs showing installation activity, reports from application monitoring tools, incident reports or remediation records, and if any violations occurred. How about some technical implementation? Use endpoint detection and response tools to track software changes. Generate alerts when unauthorized apps are installed. Set up scheduled scans with tools like PDQ, Inventory, or Landsweeper. Include software review as part of your monthly security checkups. Here's a real-world example. We once had a client whose user downloaded a free file sharing tool to move big files faster. Turns out that tool also opened up port 21 and started a rogue FTP service. Yikes. Unsecured, unmonitored, and yep, you guessed it, exposed to the internet. Disaster. That little moment almost cost them their contract renewal. Now, they're running App Locker and a deny by default policy, and they sleep much better. Now, here's a final checklist for CMMC Control L2-3.4.9. If you have a policy defining who can install software, you technically restrict installs for non-authorized users, you monitor installation attempts and new software, you can provide logs, reports, or screenshots proving enforcement, and you respond to unauthorized installs with removal, documentation, and retraining. Because letting users install whatever they want on secure systems is kind of like letting people cook bacon in a server room. It's just a matter of time. I don't know if that's a good thing or not. I don't know. I like bacon. Do you like bacon? Comment below. Hey, at On-Call, we take defense contractors just like you who have had this DFARS, NIST, CMMC, ITAR, and EAR, information security compliance stuff, dropped in their laps like a seagull on a sunny day. And we teach you how to level up and be a proper on-call compliance hero for your company, eliminating gaps, gray areas, and getting this solved, all while showing you how to leverage compliance as your secret weapon to land more defense work with higher profit margins. Now that's what becoming an on-call compliance hero can do for you. If you're looking for more help getting compliant, our compliance experts are always on call for you. visit CMMCComplianceSecrets.com or check out the description below for links to get help right now. And if you love the content we're putting out here for you, help us out with a big thumbs up on that like button, or even better, smash the subscribe button to get the latest compliance content as our compliance nerds roll it out. And until the next compliance tip, my friends, stay safe and secure out there, and hit us in the comments below to let us know what you'd like to know more about when it comes to information security and compliance. I'll see you on the next one.